You mentioned the importance of researching the company for an interview. Are there specific questions that an interviewer can ask that show a deep understanding of the company's challenges and opportunities and how they might contribute to addressing them? No, you don't want to. If the company or law firm is having issues and so forth, you definitely do not need to steer things in that direction all that much. So I don't know if that's something you really need to worry about all that much. But you see the importance of researching the company or before the interview, specific questions you can ask that shows deep understanding. So what you need to do is you need to ask questions about if someone has certain things in their background. You don't always ask about things you think that you see when you research, for example, the people you're talking to. You may research things about, you give answers, you may drop in things that they did to show you talk to, you research them. You may, if you're regardless of the type of attorney you are, you may be a real estate attorney, you may be a corporate attorney, you may be a litigation attorney, you may be I don't know, whatever type of attorney you are, you should research the type of work that the firm does and then ask questions about practice area, about what type of, do you work in commercial real estate or residential real estate? Do you work on sort of different things that the firm may do, but you ask about the practice areas and then you would things along those lines. So you don't need to have a deep understanding all the time, but what you do need to do is you need to be able to understand the type of work they do. So you don't want to go into a interview, ask a question about something that you could research very easily. You want to ask a question about something that you've researched and you just say, I noticed that you guys have been doing some work lately for public companies and a lot of your clients, are you planning on doing more of that? Like something, and most of your other job work seems to be for smaller companies. Do you think that you ask questions that you're growing in that field or not? You ask things that are likely to make the firm feel good. So you try to steer your questions to issues that are related to uh, things that you can show you understand. And very few people, by the way, do this. But researching the practice area that the firm does, researching maybe news stories about things that the firm does, understanding the things that are really positive about the firm and having researched them are very important to know what the firm does. So all of those things will help you do much better and with your interview.